Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the headset discoverable and the laptop ready. Put the Live Pro 2 in pairing mode, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes, because that tells the buds to broadcast. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. You want a clean scan, so make sure nearby headphones are disconnected. Once done, keep the buds near the laptop. The device appears in the list when the broadcast is active, ready for selection. Now you select the device in the Bluetooth list and initiate pairing. Click the JBL Live Pro 2 entry, then accept any permission dialogues. This allows audio and microphone use. Why accept? Because Windows or Mac OS needs explicit permission to route sound. If a PIN appears, try 0000, but most modern buds connect without one. After the handshake completes, you should see connected for audio. Make sure default audio output is set to the Live Pro 2, so sound actually plays through the buds. Finish by confirming output and input lines in your laptop's sound settings. Choose JBL Live Pro 2 for both speaker and microphone so apps use the correct device. Test with audio or a call and adjust volume. If you hit trouble, disconnect and reconnect first. If that fails, remove the device from Bluetooth and pair again. As a deeper fix, reset the buds by placing them in the case and holding the case button for about 15 seconds. Then repeat pairing. This clears stubborn state errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.